So this question is about histograms. So if we start from the question, the histogram gives information about house prices in a village in 2015. It's got the x-axis labelled as price in thousands and the y-axis is labelled as frequency density, but there's no scale given. 20 houses in the village have a price between 300,000 and 400,000. Well, that's going to help us to work out the scale on the y-axis. Work out the number of houses in the village with a price under 200,000. Now, frequency density, first thing. We know that frequency density, to work that out, you're going to do frequency divided by the class width. Okay, so in this case, to work out the frequency density, we know that whatever this is going to be frequency, which is 20, divided by the class width, which is 100. Because the difference between 300 and 400 is 100. Okay, so the frequency density is going to equal frequency divided by the class width. 20 divided by 100, which is the same as 2 over 10, okay, which is 0.2. So I know that at this line here, it's 0.2, and I can write that scale on. Now that's going to help me, because then this one, follow that across, would be 0.1. So each of these big boxes is 0.1. So it goes up to 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.8 there. So the question's asking how many, the number of houses in the village with a price under 200,000. So I've been asked for anything within this. So the area of each of these three bars, the first one, the second one, and the third one. So the area of that first bar, well, if that's 0.1, it will go up to 0.14. Okay, so the frequency is the area of the bar. So I'm going to do base times height, which is 100 times 0.14 for that first bar. Second bar, the width is 50 and the height is 0.6. And then the third one, width again is 50 and the height is 0.8. So I'm going to type those into my calculator. 100 times 0.14 will be 14, 30 and 40. So I need a total 84. So the total number of houses is 84. So use that to answer the question underneath. So same kind of question, but this time we've got 30 houses between 300 and 400,000. So frequency density is frequency divided by the class width, which here is 100 again. So 30 divided by 10, which is 0.3. So I've got that as 0.3, so every two boxes is 0.3. So I've got 0.6, 0.9, and then 1.2. So again, if I've been asked for the area of those first three. So the first one, the width is 100 times the height. So I've got there 0.15, and each box will be 0.015, so 0.18. Okay, and then that second one, I've got 50 times by 0.9. And then the third one, 50 times 1.2. Okay, so if I type those in, I've got 18, 45, and 60. So add those up. 123. So again, with this one, because of this part here, the scale's really small here. So if you're a few either side of that, that's fine. So if you're anything between 115 and 130, you get those marks there, as long as you've shown that working out.